to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Bosch Professional Leaf Blower. I'm purchasing this one from biggest hardware store based on Scandinavian country, and that one is a Bauhaus. For this leaf blower, I'm purchasing the battery as well. So price perspective, it's little expensive. This Bosch Leaf Blower product price 1299 Danish krona, around 1300 Danish krona. And battery plus charging, this one is more expensive compared to this one. One battery, one charger, price 1200 Danish krona. It's little expensive. Both products I am purchasing here 2500 Danish krona. In this video, we will see unboxing and which types of features we are receiving after using this leaf blower. How much strong, we can see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start. First of all, we are doing the unboxing. So I just simply cut here. So I just simply open here. This is the pipe. This is the main product. Here is the biggest magic booklet as well. So I just simply open this one. Look at this here. This is the huge one. Here power speed is also available. I just simply open this pipe as well. And you can fix like this. That's it. This is our main product. Most important parts here in the charger plus battery. So I just simply open this one as well. Inside the box we receive the huge magic booklet. This is our tiny battery. You can fix here and start. How to open? It's very easy to open as well. For the charger, standard cable with the charger, and you can fix like this and charge the battery as well. So now we will go outside and let's see how much strong. Here we are receiving how to remove the leaf in my garden. So let's check it out. So now let's see. Here the speed, the showing first, second and third. 3/4 speed is available for this product. Let's see. This one is a more strong as I am expecting. ये 3 It's our So this is the final outcome of Bosch Leaf Blower. Hope you enjoy this video. As my personal experience, I am not happy about that. Like we are paying 2500 Danish krona for this product plus the battery and the charger. So as a comparison perspective is a little heavy as well compared to other one. But yeah, if you have enough money and you want remove the leaf in your garden, so yeah, it's really nice. You can purchase this product and enjoy this one. If you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.